Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today is April 1st, 2023, also known a birthday. We are at Mount San Jacinto in Palm Springs, directly behind me, and we're going to be heading up on the tram to go to the top and check out the view, I guess. Something I've never done, so it should be fun. Let's go. Well, here we are at the bottom of the mountain of Mount San Jacinto on this Saturday. So get prepared to wait in the long line of cars as well to go up on the tramway. Well, we made it to lot A, and let me just tell you, it was no joke getting parking here. They are busy today, so luckily we did find a spot rather quickly. And this is the way that you come up from, and the cars keep on coming. Otherwise, you got to take one of the little trams up to this parking lot, up to the main spot. So I think there's about a 30-minute wait. Go head on up. Well, we almost made it to the top just to get on the tram, but you got to walk up this grade over here, which is no joke. So almost there. In just a few minutes, that's going to be us right there, heading up to the top of the mountain. That's pretty cool. I wonder how many people can fit on that, or in that. He's gonna go to the first bump right now. Making his way. Stupid hole in my way. There he goes. Trying to hold it steady. Steady as we go. Get to the first bump. And you go through 5 different climate zones, I was told, while going up this thing. Let's zoom in on that a little bit more. Stop. First one achieved. Check out Bob Ficker. Bob was hired as the aerial groundsman in 1965. And that's going to pull us up to the top. So we're waiting right now just to catch our train.
All right, we're going to go on top of this canyon way up there. 8,516 feet in the snow is where we're going. 2.5 miles of cable. We go 6,000 feet, 10 minutes. We had to build 5 towers to hold the cables, tram cars, you and I up as we go over the 5 towers. There is a sway back and forth. That's the fun part over the towers. So you might want to hold on when you go over the towers. And windows do stay open. It's a beautiful day. We got thousands of people here today, so we're going to keep the windows open. Enjoy the ride, everybody. Here's Tower 1. Hold on.
Hold on.
Rock and roll.
Hold on. Oh, jeez. So we're making our way, just went past the first tower, there's the second tower. 2.5 miles all the way to the top, 10 minutes. Oh, we're back in the window. Waterfall down there. See the water in the canyon? Look.
Indicate where rock removal is required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees, travel at the largest rock over the world. Now brings up. South.
Here comes tower number 2. Another sway.
We passed through
There it is down there, Palm Springs.
We experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion is the result of the car moving from the flexible track to the rigid tower and back to the flexible track. The original tramway was designed. The halfway point on our trip was reached between towers.
There goes the
This happens
downward
past
one.
the other car. While it appears the downward car is traveling much faster than the car, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed.
All right, we're coming up to the third tower. This one has a little bit bigger swing. So you probably want to hold on. Or hold on to somebody holding on. There it is, Fun Tower 3. Here we go, ready or not. Swinging away over the canyon and up to the air.
Right. Whoa. Look at that. Almost to the top.
Knocking out
a solid granite core. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes. You'll see a variety of plants.
Check this out. We have made it to the top. So they said that was 10 minutes on the Ariel Tramway all the way to the top. Look at that view. They said we can see 100 miles today. And still snow up here, so it is kind of slippery. Let's look over here. We got a restaurant, bar, grab and go food. Wow, this is cool. So check this out. We've made it to the point. A little point up here. Got the windmills out there, Palm Springs, and plenty of golf courses. Well, this is what we're dealing with. This is the backside of the tram center. As you can see, Mount San Jacinto State Park. Over here, got some interesting rocks. And right down here takes you all the way to all the different trails. Gonna take a look over there too. Here's a quick little peek of the trail if you're so inclined, but I don't think I got the appropriate shoes today as I've already been slipping and sliding on the ice. Well, here we are, 8,000 feet. Top of Mount San Jacinto. It's about 40 degrees today. It's pretty nice up here. It's supposed to be about 80 on the floor, so yeah. Just give us a quick sneak peek to everyone that hasn't been up here before, and to myself. Very interesting. So here's our little rest stop.
Huh?
And then you can see down here. That's another peek at the trail. Okay. All right, so here it is, and here's the trail. You can see how far it goes. I think it's about an 8-mile trail, and you can actually go way back there. Not for us today, that's for sure. So we're on our way down, but check it out. Here's a pulley system right here. Look at that. The counterweight pit. Well, we made it down, and I gotta say, it's a lot better and a lot less nerve-wracking coming down than it is going up. Going up was a little bit stressful, but yeah, no, beautiful view. Top of Mount San Jacinto. This is the Ariel Tramway Valley Station. What is that? Santa Cruz. There we go. Let's go see this side before the water goes down too. So now everybody has to be bussed in because all the parking lots are full up here. So if you come later, be aware. You will be bussed in from your parking spot. Little waterfall there too. All the snow melt. All right, let's head down. Well, that's gonna do it, I think, for today. So $29 per adult, all the way to the top, Mount San Jacinto. going to go to Palm Springs right now, right on Highway 111. There's a fun picking opportunity sign, done it up a million times. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you had, thank you. Like I said, today is April 1st, my birthday. Thanks for watching. So, Palm Springs sign and the visitor center, but there it is. I was all the way at the top of that thing. I gotta say it's kind of terrifying, but look at the snow-capped mountains over here coming in on Highway 111, right off the 10 freeway. That was something else. Will I be back? I don't know. To Palm Springs, yes, but to there, I don't know.